In this video, I will show you how to restore or access Recycle Bin icon if it is missing from desktop. Here you can see there is no Recycle Bin in desktop. To access Recycle Bin, go to Run and type shell:"Recycle Bin folder and press Enter. This will access the Recycle Bin folder. Also, you can simple go to path and type Recycle Bin and you will get Recycle Bin content as shown here. Also, you can open command prompt and type start shell:"Recycle Bin folder and it will open Recycle Bin folder. Now you want to get Recycle Bin on the desktop or restore Recycle Bin, then follow these steps. Right-click on empty area on the screen. Then click on Personalize. On the left pane, click on Theme. Then click on Desktop Icon Settings. Here please check Recycle Bin and click on OK button. Here you can see Recycle Bin has been restored successfully in the desktop. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for similar videos.